Hello, this is Calvin. So in the previous video, I didn't show you how to actually change the theme of the colors, customize the colors of the report card and the merit list according to your school color. So here you'll just come to change the theme. All right. Then we want to change the theme of the color of our merit list. So we are using from one task data. So just say okay. Then you select the color, whichever color you want for your merit list. So I want us to have this color here for the merit list. So we are just waiting for it to configure. After it has been configured, then we are going to generate a mark list to check if the color is actually that right. So it's complete. So after that, let us go to reports and generate a mark list. So a mark list for Form 1 or a merit list for that matter, we want to see how the color looks like. So desktop, let's have it on the desktop just to see if our setting is captured. So we have used the color which we think should be our school color. So you can see the merit list is very nice, and it's considering our setting. Can see. So if the color chosen is bright, then these fonts will be black. If the color chosen is very dark, then these fonts will turn white. All right. So let us use a dark color. Okay, so we want to change it to a dark color. So we go to change them. Then we choose from one. We are now choosing a very dark color. So which one do we use? Let us use this dark blue. This one is very dark blue. So that dark blue, we are expecting the fonts now to change to white for readability. All right. So it's complete. So we again go to reports and check if that setting or that change of color has been captured. So merit list, from one merit list. So let's put it on the desktop. Right? So then we see. So colleagues, that's how you'll be changing the colors to your preference, because maybe your school is actually uh, having some color, for example, your uniform. So you can change merit list to the uniform color, all right? So you can see it has been captured. The fonts are now white. The background is very dark blue, right? You can see that has been captured very well. So again, on the report card, we can also do this particular customization or to the report card. So for report cards, just come to the same module, change theme color, then you go to maybe from one, you want to change from one report card color, right? So you select from one, then we say okay, then this color uh, chart will come, we can pick. All right, so now we can pick. Let's pick a color which is also the same as the one we picked in the mark list, right? So in the mark list, we pick this one. So but let us pick this one just to see how that change is going to be affected. So we are waiting for just a while. So as you can see, the from one report card, the color theme changed successfully. So we are sure the report cards have got the theme that we had already configured. So now we go to reports. Then we want to check report card generate without setup. So we want to generate single from one single, right? So in the from one single, we just click that one. Then we select the student. Let us select electrovalent. All right. Then we generate. So are you sure you wish to save as PDF? So we are generating for that particular student only, just to view the change on the report card, the color or theme. All right. So let's just wait as it's configuring. So it's complete. So we just close this one. Then we also close this other one. Okay. Then now let me check the report card. Let me check it on the report on the desktop. We saved electrovalent accord. Here it is. So we check. Then we want to ensure that it's the color that we used, and you can see actually it's the color that we used. So just to be sure, we are going to use another color to check the change. All right, you can see very nice, very nice. So the color has been affected and it has been captured very effectively. So we want to do the same, but now we change it to another color just to ensure that we have done it and it's capturing it in the right manner. So we use this one. So let us now use a color like, for example, this one here. Let us now use this one or this one here. Yeah, this. So let us use that one. Okay. Complete, right? So Again, let us just check. We go to reports, then we print for the same student, right? We just print for the same student electroscopia, then we generate. So it's going to be generated to the desktop. Okay, so that's a very good way of ensuring that your documents or your reports configure with the school colors, right? Okay, it's now done. So we can save, we can close that, and also close that, and also close this. So when we go to the desktop folder, we'll check electrovalent here. It overrides the other one, all right? So if there's another electrovalent there, it will override it. So you can see the color has changed very nicely, and this is now the color that we have configured. So you will just configure it so you can see very nice. So you configure it according to your color, the preferences, or according to your school color, right? Okay, I think that is very nice for uh, for your operations with this particular system. That's how you will change this the theme color or the colors of your reports, majorly the report cards and the school and the merit list, right? So that is what I wanted to say today. So thank you very much. Till next time, God bless you.